Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of silver futures in different time frames. Here you can see that in the daily chart the silver futures were falling since February 15th, 2019 after touching the highs of $16.290. The silver futures tested first on January 31st and second time on February 20th, 2019. But since then, here you can see that the silver futures make a downward move up to these levels, up to the level of $15, and after finding some support here during the month of March, once again silver futures tried to make upward moves up to the level of $15.621. But since then, here you can see that the silver futures started to remain under bearish pressure till May 28, 2019, when they touched the lows of $14.235, and here you can see that the silver futures found good buying from the silver bulls, and here a gap up indicates the advent of an uptrend in silver futures. Therefore, I find that in silver futures we can expect a V-shaped recovery during the upcoming months, which may continue up to August 2019, when the silver futures may once again test the level of $16.405. Therefore, I have constructed my expected trading zone for the month of June 2019. Here you can see that the silver futures have found some resistance at the level of $14.647 on May 31st, 2019. But here I find that if the silver futures start the opening session of the upcoming week above the levels of $14.548, I find that once again the silver futures find stiff resistance at the same levels, at the levels of $14.643, but a downward move up to the level of $14.359 will provide a good opportunity to go long in silver futures for a sharp upward move, where my first target will be at the level of $15.250, where the silver futures find their next resistance, and here a consolidation will result in further upward moves during the month of June up to the levels of $16.133, where the silver futures may test their third resistance before moving downward back up to the level of $15.596. But I find that the overall trend will remain bullish in silver futures during the month of June. Here you can see that the position of all moving averages look ready to take a turn in a daily chart. Here you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average is trying to cross the 20 days moving average, which indicates the steady short term. Now I would like to mention here that this will be my expected trading path for silver futures for the month of June 2019. Here my starting level for June 2nd, 2019, where the silver futures may start their upward journey from the level of $14.496. No doubt that here some selling pressure may be seen from the levels of $14.647, but a downward move up to the level of $14.396 will provide a good opportunity to go long from here. So friends, now let us see this chart in a 4-hour time frame. So in a 4-hour time frame, here you can see that the current position of moving averages, that currently the 20 days exponential moving average has come above the 20 days moving average, and the 50 days exponential moving average is also moving above the 50 days moving average, and the silver futures are very much above these levels, and here you can see that the 9 days moving average has crossed all these moving averages, which indicates a gap up opening in silver futures on the first trading session of the upcoming week, but where the silver futures may find their immediate resistance at the level of $14.730, where the 200 days moving average will provide an immediate resistance to silver futures, but a downward move up to these levels, up to the level of $14.376, will provide good opportunity to go long. Therefore, friends, I find that the overall trend going to remain steady, and the silver futures will find good bounce back after a sustainable move above the level of $14.667. I find that the silver futures may test the levels of their immediate target, what I have just explained in my daily chart, where I find that during the month of June 2019, the silver futures may test the targets of $16.290, and my stop loss levels will be at the level of $14.057, where I would like to go long in silver futures from these levels for an immediate target at $15.270, where a sustainable move will result in further upward moves up to the level of $16.232. So friends, this will be my expected trading zone for silver futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.